guys, welcome to day 3 on site. So today you can see we are going to do the concrete to this ground floor slab, and you can see clearly how everything is now set out. You can see the damp proof membrane lying on the floor of this ground of the maram lining, and you can see that the BRC is now laying on top of double spacer, that is 200 millimeter spacers. So that is not 200, that is 100, because it is single spacer is 50 millimeters, so that is 100. Then our slab is going to be 150 millimeter. So the BRC will have a cover of 50 on top. Okay, so you can see our staircase data. So for this slab we don't have ground beam, but I will show you another floor where we are having ground beam. So you can see the pipes for electricity are going to be covered up by concrete, but there is that part that is protruding, where they are going to use to put those wires in those conduits. So those plastic conduits, which are meant to protect the wires, are going to be covered on by concrete, so you're not going to see all of them. Actually, that's why you don't see these pipes. What the concrete slabs, welcome to another episode. Today we are finally finalizing the concrete, the ground floor slab, where we're going to do the concrete slab. So you can see those spacers, those are called the spacers, and now they are double spacer, because single spacer is just 50 mm. So this one is double, it means it's 100 mm. So, and our ground slab should be about 150, so there will be a clear cover of 50 mm for the BRC. And you can see the DPM where it has been placed just on top of the maram lining. So the BRC has has been raised up by 100 mm, as you can see. So those conduit for electricity, as you can see, they are protruding, but they are going to be covered by slab. Okay, so but you can see the portion which is protruding, where they are going to now insert the wires to the other side. Okay, so this is how they do the electric for the ground floor slab. I'm going to do the same, so the wires are going to be transmitted to the other floors. So this is just the ground floor, and then you can see the maroon pipes, which are basically the waste pipe, which are going to direct wastewater to our septic tanks. So you can see the conduits are being covered. Yes, concrete. So here we are doing the blinding, guys. So blinding for this foundation. This part footing, which is holding 4 columns, It's a raft footing. So the base we were just doing is similar to this one. So you can see this base already has a blinding, and it has showing 4 columns. Okay, the 4 columns. Then it has both top and bottom reinforcement bars, and then the top reinforcement bars are being held or supported by what we just call stool. So there are just like 20 stools supporting the top bar, because you can't have a ring that big. Okay, so this is how we support the top bars in this column, in this base. Then we're going to do concrete to this base. So I see this can be called raft or mud foundation.